Once upon a time, in the boundless realm of human imagination, stories were woven to reflect the deepest truths of our nature. These fairy tales, rich with symbolism and wisdom, continue to illuminate the path to our true selves. Similarly, at AET AI Academy, we are sharing the best approaches and techniques to enforce our humanity and power, transform you also with information about visualizations, framing, psychoanalyses, including traditional wisdom and tale stories. Like the heroes of ancient tales, we embark on journeys not merely to discover the world, but to uncover who we truly are. In Falling Upward, Richard Rohr reminds us that many protagonists in fairy tales are individuals who have forgotten, or not yet discovered, their true identity. Their quests mirror our own pursuit of self-understanding. Through the lens of these stories, we witness profound transformations. The ugly duckling's journey to becoming a swan teaches us about the discovery of our inherent worth. Cinderella's rise from ashes to royalty reflects the triumph of inner virtue over external circumstances. The Frog Prince's metamorphosis reveals the power of seeing beyond appearances to the true essence within. Rohr speaks of the false self, the constructed identity we present to the world, and the necessity of unlearning these illusions to embrace our true self. Fairy tales often depict this shedding of falsehood, guiding us toward authenticity and wholeness. Nature, as Rohr reflects, is a sacred text revealing the divine. Just as fairy tales draw inspiration from natural elements, our reconnection with the natural world mirrors the journey back to our own souls. In the end, these timeless tales remind us that the journey to self-discovery is both personal and communal. By embracing the lessons of fairy tales, we find that the magic lies not in the destination, but in the transformative journey itself. Discover the profound connections between fairy tales and the human experience. Unveil the enchanting tapestry of your own nature.